I'm free indeed. In Christ I'm free indeed. No chains are holding me. It's who I choose to be. I'm free indeed. In Christ I'm free indeed. No chains are holding me. It's who I choose to be. Everybody sing out.
And this gospel of the kingdom will be preached in the whole world as a testimony to all nations, and then the end will come. In obedience to the great commission of making disciples, the Reach Out to All present mission outreaches with the theme Great Invitation, Isaiah chapter 55 verse 1 and 2, featuring word, worship, prayer and deliverance, medical services, distribution of welfare materials, child evangelism, and other reach out care services, ministering Emmanuel Bauer and all reach out family. Join us as we journey down to Rivers States for the advancement of God's kingdom from 30th December 2023 to January 3rd, 2024. For more inquiries, 081 44 44 75231 or 070 36 98 2114. Every soul count.
No chains are holding me. It's who I